Are you ready to elevate your events to new heights and captivate your audience like never before? Look no further than EventON, the ultimate WordPress event calendar plugin designed to revolutionize the way you plan, manage, and showcase your events. With EventON, organizing events has never been easier. Let's take a deeper look at some of its remarkable features that make event management a breeze. First and foremost, EventON boasts a sleek and intuitive interface. Say goodbye to cumbersome event planning processes. With its user-friendly dashboard, you can effortlessly create, customize, and manage your events with just a few clicks. Gone are the days of tedious data entry. EventON's drag and drop functionality allows you to swiftly add essential details such as event title, date, time, location, and captivating images, resulting in visually stunning event listings that instantly grab attention. Customization is key to creating memorable events, and EventON delivers on this front. Choose from a plethora of event layouts, color schemes, and design elements to perfectly align with your brand's aesthetic, ensuring a truly immersive and unforgettable experience for your attendees. Keep your audience informed and engaged with EventON's dynamic calendar view. Display upcoming events in a clean and organized layout, allowing users to effortlessly browse and plan their attendance with ease. Whether your audience is accessing your website from a desktop, tablet, or mobile device, rest assured that EventON provides a seamless experience with its fully responsive design, ensuring optimal viewing and interaction regardless of the device being used. In need of ticketing and registration solutions? Look no further. EventON seamlessly integrates with popular ticketing platforms such as Eventbrite or WooCommerce, enabling you to streamline the ticketing process and maximize attendance for your events. Spread the word and boost attendance with EventON's built-in social sharing features. Allow users to effortlessly share event details across their favorite social media platforms, extending the reach of your events and driving even more engagement. Track the success of your events with EventON's comprehensive analytics and reporting tools. Gain valuable insights into attendance, engagement metrics, and more, empowering you to make informed, data-driven decisions for future event planning and optimization. From intimate gatherings to large-scale conferences, EventON empowers you to create unforgettable experiences that leave a lasting impression on your audience. Take your events to the next level with EventON, the ultimate WordPress event calendar plugin. Ready to revolutionize your event planning experience? Visit EventON today and start planning your next unforgettable event.